Feel great and stay energized. The ultimate guide to mood-enhancing foods. This video will go over the importance of eating right and fueling your body properly. We will be looking at fats, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, and recommendations to feel your best.
Why is this important? Healthy nutrition is essential to impacting your mood. This means eating healthier fats, making sure you meet all vitamin requirements, proteins, and carbohydrates. Saturated fats. Some evidence suggests that a diet high in saturated fats can lead to symptoms of depression. Diets high in saturated fats lead to neuroinflammation, which raises the likelihood of depression. Monounsaturated fats. It has been found that higher intakes of monounsaturated fats can lead to lower anxiety. Lowering the amount of saturated fat and replacing it with monounsaturated fats, such as olive oil, can affect physical activity. Trans fat. Trans fatty acid consumption was found to be positively associated with depression. Higher trans fat consumption was also linked to increased anxiety symptoms. Omega-6 causes inflammation, which can promote anxiety and depression. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, which reduces anxiety and depression. Most Americans get a ratio of 26:1 of omega-6 to omega-3. So we are getting plenty omega-6 and not enough omega-3. We need a ratio of 4:1. This ratio allows the omega-3 to reduce the inflammation caused by omega-6.
Diet rich on fruits and vegetables provides key vitamins and minerals that strengthen the immune system and help with mood regulation. 3 main vitamins observed to have a big impact on mood are B vitamins, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Research has shown having these vitamin deficiencies leads to higher chances of developing depression, constant mood changes, fatigue or insomnia, and anxiety. It's important to note that the use of supplements should be taken with precautions, as taking too much can do more damage than good.
Proteins are the predominant structural and functional material in every cell. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that are carried along cells. Amino acid neurotransmitters are the most involved in functions of your nervous system, which helps regulate mood, sleep patterns, sexuality, anxiety, appetite, and pain. The amino acid tyrosine is a precursor for dopamine, which is involved in the body's reward system, which includes feeling pleasure, achieving heightened arousal, and learning. It also helps with focus, concentration, memory, sleep, mood, and motivation.
A carbohydrate, or carb, is the most important type of food for energy levels. But what is the importance of a carb? A carb provides your cells with glucose to carry out cellular function, and carbs provide us with energy. Carbs should be 45 to 65% of your total calories per day. But where you fall on this scale depends on your activity level. You should emphasize foods containing important nutrients and substances, such as whole grains and high-fiber foods like fruit. Also, diets high in sugar and refined carbohydrates have negative effects on cardiometabolic health. The glycemic index is a ratio used to measure the amount of glucose appearing in the blood after eating 50 grams of a specific food compared to eating white bread, because it has a high glycemic index. But why does this matter? Low glycemic index foods steadily increase energy level throughout the day. High glycemic index foods insulin dump, which is an excess uptake of sugar by cells, which leads to a crash. Some low glycemic index foods include low-fat dairy products, minimally processed grains and whole grain, yogurt, green vegetables, most fruits, brown rice, most beans and peas, and steel-cut oats. Why does this matter? Low glycemic index foods lead to steady energy levels throughout the day. But high glycemic index foods lead to an excess uptake of sugar by cells and insulin dumping, which then leads to an energy crash. A healthy example meal to boost energy and mood. A dinner consisting of brown rice because it has a low glycemic index, chickpeas because they are high in protein and vitamin B6, wild cod salmon cooked in olive oil because it has monounsaturated fat and omega-3, broccoli because it is rich in vitamin C, and a dessert of frozen yogurt because of its low glycemic index, and berries because of vitamin C and folate, a snack of walnuts because of omega-3, and a glass of water to reach 8 to 12 cups per day.
Thank you for watching.